Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench, doing a little bit of planing. Took the old, recently acquired 5.5 out, and I got the scrub plane out in preparation of doing a video for you in relationship to marking gauge use. So I went across this board with the scrub plane, and now I'm going across it with the 5.5 to get rid of any of the scrub plane marks. And flatten and straighten this board. So that's sort of the process. All the scrub plane marks are gone. It's got a high spot in the middle. So I'll come back, take some more shavings down the middle. So remember, there is always a big difference between flat, straight, and smooth. I think we got it flat. A little high in the middle. And you've heard me speak on the topic of how hand planes are possibly one of the most imperfect tools because it shouldn't be able to make things flat. Just the nature of its design. There we go. Flat and straight. And for the most part, smooth. Where we go from here is going to be in the next video. So stay tuned because we're going to flatten this rough sawn piece of cherry. And we're going to demonstrate the use of the marking gauge. So glad you could be with me here today. Good way to start the day with some nice Eastern white pine. Oh, the aroma. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.